I'd really request now some of our partners. First, of course, our main partner here with whom we are signing, David Back, or the president of the IMD Business School, to make a couple of remarks, please.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Honorable Chief Minister, distinguished guest, as president of IMD, it's my distinct pleasure, my honor, to join you this morning to congratulate you on this important moment, the launch of this transformational center. IMD is a business school based in Switzerland with deep Swiss roots, but we work globally. And our mission, our purpose is to transform leaders and organizations for a more prosperous, sustainable, and inclusive world. And that mission, that purpose compels us to be present in the most economically dynamic regions of the world. And of course, that means India. You kindly referenced our meeting in Delhi just a few weeks ago. I was fortunate to attend the CII Global Economic Policy Forum, and I was just so inspired by the energy, the passion, the commitment, the momentum. And I don't have to tell you that what is happening in India, the momentum, the positivity, is in stark contrast to many other parts of the world. So we're excited to partner with you to explore how we can support and accelerate the development of responsible, future-oriented leaders all across India, and of course, particularly in Andhra Pradesh. And this is something that is important to us as an institution. We have long-standing relationships with India. I was delighted to see my friend CTL here this morning. We worked together on a program for the Mahindra Group a while back. But it is also something that is personally important to me. I've been visiting your beautiful country for over 3 decades. It's changed dramatically during this period. I don't have to tell you this. But I've always been inspired that this rapid change, this transformation, has gone hand in hand with a deep commitment to your roots, to your civilization, to your traditions, to your values. And we're delighted to work with you, learn with you, partner with you, and move forward together to achieving that goal of a more prosperous, sustainable, and inclusive world. Thank you very much for the opportunity to collaborate with you.
Thank you very much, David. And it was, as I mentioned, indeed great opportunity for us to have this partnership with many Indian companies. And the first that came up was GMR. It was again Mr. GM Rao's immediate reaction of wanting to collaborate, wanting to partner, wanting to give his resources, make his resources available. So in that context, I also request Mr. GVS Raju, who is present, the chairman of the GMR Airports, to also make a few remarks, please.
Good morning, and respected Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and Chairman of Tata Sons, Mr. Chandrasekhar Garu, Mr. David, and Mr. Chandrachit Banerjee Garu, and respected dignitaries. I'd like to appreciate our Honorable Chief Minister, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, for his visionary leadership in establishing this Global Leadership Capability Center tie-up with IMD Switzerland. As Chandrababu Naidu Garu has always been a forward-thinking leader, and this initiative is yet another testament to his commitment to making Andhra Pradesh a global hub for leadership, innovation, and excellence. By setting up this Global Leadership Center, it reinforces Amaravati as a potential, as a world-class knowledge and talent hub, attracting the best minds from across the world and India. And this initiative reflects deep commitment to empowering future leaders and professionals, ensuring that Andhra Pradesh continues to produce top-tier talent in governance, business, and entrepreneurship. By investing in leadership and skill development, Honorable Chief Minister Garu is positioning Andhra Pradesh as a key player in the global economy, fostering as an ecosystem where industries, investors, and innovators can thrive. This initiative aligns perfectly with India's vision for global leadership in various sectors. Andhra Pradesh is playing a crucial role in shaping the next generation of change makers. We as GMR Group wholeheartedly support this initiative and to be part of this great success of this institute. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Raju, for that huge commitment. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now my pleasure to request the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Chandrasekaran, to release the brochure of the GLC. I said Mr. Chief Minister and Mr. Chandrasekaran. Now, may we request for the film, a short film on this institute.
Is the land of vibrant cultural land, blessed with abundant natural resources and thriving industries. It holds immense potential to drive India's economic growth of the future. Guided by the vision of Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. N. Chandrababu Naidu, the Federation of Indian Industry, in partnership with the state government, has formed a task force on economic development for Swarna Andhra Pradesh at 2047. Chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister and co-chaired by Mr. N. Chandrasekaran, Executive Chairman of Tata Sons, the task force is crafting a blueprint to accelerate the state's economic growth.
Amaravati will make hub for all this knowledge economy, public policy creation, everything. We are having 2-3 advantages. One is information technology with the backbone for knowledge economy. Second one, demographic dividend. Third one, youngsters. Because youngsters are entrepreneurs.
As part of this initiative, CII, in partnership with the Andhra Pradesh government, is establishing the CII Center for Global Leadership on Competitiveness, or GLC, in Amaravati, the state's capital. The center's vision is to develop globally competent leaders, driving innovation, sustainability, and excellence across industries. Its mission is to transform India's leadership landscape through education, skill development, advisory services, and strategic global partnerships by transformative training programs, building on cutting-edge topics, global and industry collaborations. Key focus areas of the center include advisory services, global best practices. CII and the government of Andhra Pradesh invite international institutions and organizations to engage, participate, and collaborate with the Center for Global Leadership on Competitiveness in shaping future leaders to drive global innovation and excellence.